Welcome to this tutorial on Debank gas fee optimization, where we will explore the benefits and best practices of using Debank to optimize your gas fees on the Ethereum network. To start with, let's understand what gas fees are. Gas fees are the costs associated with performing transactions on the Ethereum network. These fees are paid to miners who validate and process transactions. The cost of gas fees can fluctuate greatly depending on network congestion and the complexity of the transactions being performed. Debank is a popular tool used to optimize gas fees by providing users with real-time data on gas prices and allowing them to set custom gas prices for their transactions. By using Debank, users can significantly reduce their gas fees and save money on Ethereum transactions. Here's how it works. Debank provides a gas fee calculator that takes into account current network conditions and predicts the optimal gas price for a transaction to be confirmed within a certain time frame. Users can then set their desired confirmation time and Debank will suggest the optimal gas price. A key concept to understand when using Debank is the difference between average and instant gas prices. Average gas prices are suitable for non-urgent transactions, while instant gas prices are better suited for time-sensitive transactions that require fast confirmation. To get the most out of Debank, it's essential to understand how to set custom gas prices. This involves specifying the maximum amount of gas you are willing to pay per unit of gas. By setting a custom gas price, users can avoid overpaying for gas and reduce their transaction costs. In addition to optimizing gas fees, Debank also provides users with real-time transaction tracking and alerts, allowing them to stay on top of their transactions and respond quickly to any issues that may arise. In conclusion, using Debank for gas fee optimization is a simple yet effective way to save money on Ethereum transactions. By understanding how Debank works and following best practices, users can significantly reduce their gas fees and improve their overall Ethereum experience. Remember to always set custom gas prices and use real-time data to inform your transaction decisions.